So at Scala Precision Health, one of the areas that we focus on is longevity and performance. I was a triathlete from 1983 to 2005. I started studying why athletes, super fit athletes, were having heart attacks, and we documented that. I even have a video from Dorian Yates, six-time Mr. Olympia, which you can see on the internet, where Dorian had blood clots, and at the time of our collaboration, we were studying why bodybuilders were having heart attacks. So we got the data on endurance athletes, we have the data on bodybuilders, and the future of longevity and performance is, think about it, is a lot of muscle going to be healthy? I don't think so, with the calories that you got to maintain. But if you have 100-year-old men that are running a 100-yard dash, that to me is the epitome of being fit. People lose their mobility as they age. They lose their muscle mass. Their body doesn't uptake nutrients. The intestinal tract, which is a second brain, pulls nutrients out of food. And as you age, your intestinal tract cannot pull vitamins, minerals, and amino acids out of the food, so the body mines it from its own tissue. So in the area of performance and longevity, and my history of taking people into nursing homes, I believe these protocols that we develop are going to take people to the next level and really improve their quality of life.